I just shot a bird with my gamo rocket. I don't really know what bird it was for the scope. It was kind of hard. I tried to make a live video. When I pressed record, my camera is a $50 piece of crap. And when I pressed record, it didn't record. Who the heck is that bird? I should have looked for the bird before I made this video. I shot him with magnum pellets on 7.7 caliber. There it is. Can't see. Taking a picture. Using a 4x32 scope. And I shot him from about he was up in a tree. He was up in that tree up there. Up in that tree. Where did I hit him? There, I'm pretty sure I hit him in the back right there. See, I'm pretty sure he's a chickadee because he's got black on his neck and red on his, white on his breast. And yeah, a little bit of red right there. I don't know. Shot him with one shot, died in an instant. Anyways, this is a bird. I was standing right there by that pole, and he was about on that branch. I think my gun might be shooting off because I aimed for the head. I'll go sight in my rifle later, but for now it's just, we have a coyote problem. Or fox, I don't know. But I'm gonna go throw this to them. Anyways, dove season's coming up, and I'm gonna get a Primos dove call. I just bought a Primos coon squaller. Trying to make a video of a coon tonight. I'll go outside at the night with a flashlight and there's where I threw him, and blackbird, all the blackbirds and birds are starting to return. So, and I've actually seen more squirrels than usual. squirrels like that tree up there. I don't know why. Like one time I was hunting all the way over there, 2.5 hours for squirrels. I had a bait station and a bunch of other crap for squirrel hunting, and that didn't work. 2.5 hours, got nothing. And then the next day, I went over there, and within 15 minutes there was 3 squirrels. It was pretty awesome. I was pretty excited about that. I shot 2 of them because one of them was like on top of the tree and the other was on the ground. And then there was another one like on the ground right beside him. I shot the one on top of the tree. They didn't know he fell because he died like an instant, and he stayed in the tree. And I shot one on the ground, and he died, and then the other one ran away. Oh, some more birds over there. Not sure if I'm gonna try to shoot one. Let's see if they're in the street or not, because I don't know. Yeah, they're in the street. Oh wait. Oh no, that's a lizard. And so the next video I make I will try really hard to make this one. That one is scope cam. Because I made a scope cam yesterday, but that one didn't record at all, and I threw it. I threw it over there where I threw the other one. And then once I tried to upload my video, I couldn't find that video or the file. And so I just ran back to try to get the bird to make another not live video, like just an after the shot video. And he was gone. So all there was feathers, the head, and its feet. That's all there was left. I was like, oh crap, I should have sat there in the line. It's their neighbors. They have a donkey. Freaking annoying. Anyway, so I'll get back to you with more hunting videos. Please comment and subscribe. Bye.